Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Artificial intelligence. Once a concept confined to the realms of science fiction and futuristic fantasies, AI has now become an integral part of our everyday lives. Its presence is felt in ways both subtle and profound, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's not just science fiction anymore. AI is everywhere. From the virtual assistants in our smartphones to the recommendation algorithms that suggest what we should watch next, AI is seamlessly woven into the fabric of our daily routines. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets with precision to advanced medical diagnostics that help doctors make more accurate decisions, AI is changing the world. These intelligent systems are designed to learn and adapt, making them incredibly powerful tools in a variety of fields. It's writing poetry, composing music, and even painting masterpieces. The creative potential of AI is being explored in new and exciting ways, pushing the boundaries of what we thought machines were capable of. And now AI is poised to revolutionize a field crucial to our digital lives: cybersecurity. As our reliance on digital systems grows, so too does the need to protect these systems from threats. AI offers new ways to safeguard our data and ensure the integrity of our digital infrastructure. AI's power lies in its ability to learn from massive amounts of data. By processing and analyzing vast data sets, AI can uncover patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect on their own. It can analyze patterns, identify anomalies, and make predictions with astonishing accuracy. This capability is particularly valuable in cybersecurity, where detecting and responding to threats quickly can mean the difference between a minor incident and a major breach. This makes it a powerful tool for both defenders and attackers in the cyber realm. While cybersecurity professionals can use AI to fortify defenses and respond to incidents more effectively, malicious actors can also leverage AI to develop more sophisticated and elusive attacks. But as with any powerful tool, AI comes with risks. The same capabilities that make AI a force for good can also be exploited for nefarious purposes. The challenge lies in ensuring that AI is used responsibly and ethically. In the wrong hands, it can be used for malicious purposes, creating sophisticated cyber attacks that are difficult to detect and even harder to stop. These attacks can have far-reaching consequences, affecting everything from personal privacy to national security. The future of cybersecurity hinges on our ability to harness the power of AI for good while mitigating its potential for harm. By fostering collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and industry leaders, we can develop strategies to maximize the benefits of AI while minimizing its risks. The rise of thinking machines presents both opportunities and challenges, and how we navigate this landscape will shape the future of our digital world. Imagine an AI assistant that thinks like a hacker, predicting their moves and outmaneuvering them at every turn. This isn't just any AI, it's a revolutionary tool designed to stay one step ahead of cyber threats. Meet Hacker-GPT, a cutting-edge AI chatbot designed specifically for the cybersecurity frontline. It's not just reactive, but proactive, anticipating potential threats before they become real issues. Unlike generic AI chatbots, Hacker-GPT is trained on a vast data set of cybersecurity information. This extensive training allows it to understand the nuances and complexities of cyber threats. This includes everything from known vulnerabilities and attack vectors, which are the common entry points for cyber attacks, to ethical hacking techniques and defensive strategies. These strategies are essential for building robust defenses against potential breaches. It's like having the collective knowledge of the world's best cybersecurity experts at your fingertips. Imagine the power of having such expertise available 24/7, ready to assist you in real time. What sets Hacker-GPT apart is its ability to understand and respond to complex cybersecurity queries in natural language. This means you don't need to be a tech expert to interact with it. Just ask your question, and it will provide a detailed, understandable response. You can ask it to analyze code for vulnerabilities, ensuring that your software is secure from potential exploits. Simulate attacks to test your defenses, allowing you to see how your systems would hold up under real-world conditions, or even generate custom security scripts tailored to your specific needs. This level of customization ensures that your security measures are as unique as the threats you face. With Hacker-GPT, you get real-time alerts and insights, helping you stay ahead of potential threats. It's like having a vigilant guardian, always on the lookout for any signs of trouble. By integrating Hacker-GPT into your cybersecurity strategy, you're not just reacting to threats, you're anticipating and preventing them. This proactive approach is the future of cybersecurity. For cybersecurity professionals, the landscape is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day, and staying ahead of these threats requires not just skill, but also the right tools. Hacker-GPT is an invaluable ally in this ongoing battle. It's not just another tool, it's a game changer. It acts as a tireless assistant, automating tedious tasks and freeing up human experts to focus on more strategic initiatives. This means that cybersecurity teams can be more proactive rather than reactive. Imagine this. A security analyst is investigating a potential data breach. The clock is ticking, and every second counts. They can use Hacker-GPT to quickly sift through mountains of log data, identify suspicious activity, and even suggest countermeasures. This not only saves time, but also increases the accuracy of the investigation. This speeds up the incident response process and limits the damage caused by an attack. Faster response times can mean the difference between a minor incident and a major catastrophe. But Hacker-GPT isn't just for defense. It's also a powerful tool for offense in the hands of ethical hackers. Ethical hackers, the good guys who use their skills to find and fix vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them, can also benefit from its capabilities. They can use Hacker-GPT to stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Hacker-GPT can help ethical hackers by automating vulnerability scanning and exploit development, making their work more efficient and effective. It can identify potential attack paths and weaknesses in systems, providing a comprehensive view of the security landscape, and it doesn't stop there. Hacker-GPT can also generate detailed reports and documentation for clients, ensuring that all findings are clearly communicated and actionable steps are outlined. In the fast-paced world of cybersecurity, having an ally like Hacker-GPT can make all the difference. The use of AI in cybersecurity is not a futuristic concept. It's already happening. Companies like Google and Microsoft are using AI-powered tools to detect and block malware, phishing attacks, and other threats in real time. For instance, Gmail uses machine learning to filter out spam and phishing emails with remarkable accuracy. These AI algorithms can analyze millions of emails in seconds, identifying patterns and anomalies that indicate malicious intent. Another example is the use of AI in intrusion detection systems, or IDS. Traditional IDS rely on predefined rules to detect attacks, but AI-powered IDSs can learn from past attacks and adapt to new threats as they emerge. The same AI capabilities that empower cybersecurity professionals can also be exploited by malicious actors. This raises serious ethical concerns about the use of AI in hacking. Imagine a world where AI-powered malware can learn to evade detection, morphing its code to stay one step ahead of security software. Or AI-driven phishing campaigns that create hyper-realistic fake websites and emails designed to trick even the most savvy users. The potential for harm is real. That's why it's crucial to establish ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI in cybersecurity. We need to ensure that these powerful tools are used responsibly and for the greater good. The development of AI is like forging a double-edged sword. In the right hands, it can be a powerful tool for good, protecting us from cyber threats and making the digital world a safer place. But in the wrong hands, it can become a weapon of unprecedented power, capable of wreaking havoc on a global scale. The responsibility lies with us, the creators and users of this technology, to ensure that it is used ethically and for the benefit of humanity. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI in cybersecurity, while fostering a culture of responsible innovation. Hacker-GPT is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve at an exponential pace, we can expect to see even more sophisticated AI-powered tools emerge in the cybersecurity landscape. Imagine AI systems that can autonomously detect and respond to cyber attacks in real time, without any human intervention, or AI-powered security analysts that can predict and prevent attacks before they even happen. The possibilities are both exciting and daunting, but one thing is certain: AI will play an increasingly critical role in shaping the future of cybersecurity. As we embrace the potential of AI in cybersecurity, we must also remain vigilant about its potential downsides. We need to be aware of the risks of AI bias, where algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. We also need to address the issue of AI explainability. As AI systems become more complex, it's becoming increasingly difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can be problematic, especially in sensitive areas like cybersecurity, where trust and accountability are paramount. The future of AI and cybersecurity is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape this technology in a way that benefits humanity. By embracing ethical principles, promoting transparency, and fostering collaboration between researchers, developers, and policymakers, we can harness the power of AI to create a safer and more secure digital world for all. Let's work together to ensure that AI is used as a force for good in cybersecurity, protecting us from the threats of today and the challenges of tomorrow.